Veer, Vishwas, how many questions completed? JEE mains, not a previous class. Saiteja, once unmute. I think which problem, Arpit? Not saying anybody. Saiteja, 38 completed. 8 root 2. Okay. Next 40. Write down, students. 40. Write down. JEE mains. All of you write down JEE. 40. Write down in JEE notes, not type in JEE notes. Okay. If the tangent drawn from the point 0, comma to the parabola, drawn 0, comma 2 to the parabola, y square is equal to 4. Incline an angle 3 pi by 4. Value of A. Students, the tan from 0, comma 2 to the 3 pi 4. Write down point 0 p 2 y square is equal to ax parabola. Theta is equal to. Then what is the formula of tangents? Students, in parabola for angle between the tangents, synopsis. Once you write down the synopsis points, come on, speak up. Anybody say tan theta is equal to root s mod x1 plus a. Angle between the tangent. What about theta value here? What is the theta value here? 3 pi by root S1. What about S11? S11. Where that is 2 square 4a into 0 by 1. The point is x. Okay, substitute by 1, 0. We don't know. A value minus 1 is equal to root 2 by mod a. Implies mod a is equal to minus 2. That implies a is either plus or. This is the concept completed. Question. A is equal to plus or minus 2. Next, anybody say 41 question? Students? Question. 41. Not saying. Anybody? 41. The intersection of tangents, the point intersection of tangents to parabola at the points. The point intersection of tangents at T1 to 1 equal to 2 is, student, already I told you what is intersection of tangents at the T2. P is equal to, say, point of tangents, already I told you.
A to 8.
A,
Is 4, 2, 8.
that is the point. Point of intersection of tangents. A T1 T2 comma A into T1 plus T2. Students, it is not possible to explain synopsis points every day. If again we want to explain synopsis point, that thing lot of time it takes. So already everything, look at 2 pages backside, 29th, 28th problem. Look at the synopsis point. After 28 synopsis point, tan theta is there. Point of intersection of tangents T1 here. Come on, speak up. A 1, T1 1, T2 2, A 1, T1 1, 2, T1 1, T2. So 1 into 2. Which point we required? 2. 1 plus 2. Come on, speak up. 1 plus 2. These are the points. Point of intersection of tangents. One is 2, another one is 1 plus 2, 3. So these are the point of intersection of tangents. Okay, next question, 42. Anybody want 42? Students. Forty-two. Anybody? The tangents from origin to the parabola inclined an angle. So what is the parabola equation? Y square plus 4 is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4 common x minus 1. It is right parabola. Vertex h comma k 1 comma 0. Vertex h comma k is equal to 1 comma 0. Students, this is the parabola. Focus 2 comma 0. This one is 0 comma 0. So origin lies on, students. So origin 0 comma 0 lies on directrix. Whenever a point lies on directrix, from any point on the directrix, we can draw two tangents to the parabola. Those tangents must be perpendicular. That implies perpendicular. Then what about theta value? Perpendicular tangents. Theta is equal to, Emma, Sai, theta is equal to anybody? Sai Teja.
5/2, sir.
5. Understood or not? Student, what is the question? All of you open page number. Students, page number 15.24. Page number 15.24, Diksha material. Page okay. 42 completed. So angle is 5/2. 43.
Yes, sir.
Anybody read 43 question? Come on, speak. You are not only listening only, not practicing. One more thing. Next weekend, listen. Next weekend you have midterm exams are there. IPE intermediate second year midterm exams. Our college is conducting midterm exam. Why? Because until now, from college starting onwards, 2 months, nearby 2 months are completed. Okay, you not written any IP exam. All 5-6 exams are conducted. So all these 6 exams are JEE mains and JEE advanced only. We are not conducting one IP exam also. Okay, that's why maybe there will be a chance to conduct which exam? Students,
Midterm exams.
midterm exam. Midterm IP exams. Maths 2A, how many marks? Midterm exams, 2A, how many marks?
75.
2B,
75.
75. 60.
Physics. 60.
chemistry.
60.
60.
What are the chapters in Maths 2B? There will be chance.
Circle.
Circles,
System of circles,
Parabola.
system of circles,
parabola.
parabola. These 3 chapters. Students, it is not possible to practice if you are in offline classes. Definitely we can do with our support. You can do each and every problem, but now we are in online classes. Okay, lot of students wasting your time. Only they are listening. I am asking your parents also. Every day I am talking with some parents of some student parents. Okay, they are explaining, they are saying only one thing. Sir, my son is listening the classes only. After the classes, they are not doing any work. Sir, we are giving, I told them, sir, we are giving homework for 2 hours, whether maths or physics or chemistry. Okay, all subjects we are giving nearby each subject for 30 minutes. So 2 hours sufficient homework is we are giving. Some students copying those problems. Somebody is sending and somebody is not sending. Everything. Students, there is a possibility. If your parent open your Eredex app, how many days you are attending in online classes, how much time you spending on that class, each and everything day wise recording. Okay, if your parent open, okay, suppose your parent came when, suppose your parent come to the college, okay, he arises some questions to us. Sir, my student is regularly attending online classes. So then open a college lesson. Students, colleges, we ask them to open the Eredex app to see your address. Okay, our attendance. So they will open our attendance. Definitely, please, how many classes you not attended, everything it displays. So please, all the students daily attend the class regularly. Our class timing is 12:15. Somebody coming at 12:30. If I completed some synopsis points at the time, how we can continue the remaining classes? How you listen? How you can understand? Please request. Student, 12:15 means you have to 12:50 time you have to stay at there. 12:15. 12:15 time, must and should enter the class. Okay, at 1:15, definitely I will close. 12:15 to 1:15. Please attend the classes. Okay, Namma? And one more thing. For that intermediate purpose, IPE purpose, I will send important questions to you. Definitely 7 marks, 4 marks, and 2 marks also I will give important questions. Those questions only you have to do. No need of remaining. Definitely damn sure questions I will send to you. Okay? If you want. Otherwise, no need. Sir, we can do everything of
One,
test
sir.
book. Means you can do. So first of all, please complete the questions what I said. Those questions only we have to complete. Okay, students, when the exam date announced, a midterm exam date announced officially in our college, then I will send all the 3 chapters important questions to you. Okay, if you want solutions also, I will send, no problem. I will write for your purpose. I will write all these 30 questions. I will write LAQs and I will send to you. But I want your marks only. Okay, your marks only. For that, we can do anything. That is explanation. We can clarify our doubts. We will send notes. If you have any doubt, okay, call me and definitely I will explain those problems. Okay, I will send IPE notes and important questions also. No, I don't know. Government not announced until the 30% deleted. Government not announced. Definitely they will announce, but okay, it is not officially announced. So we think about 100% only. Okay, students, I will give 100. I will give important questions to you for all 3 chapters. You can do daily 4 or 5 questions. We will complete. Okay, students. Emma, solutions also I will. 2 marks also. 2 marks also I will send to you. Sai Varshit. Students. Okay, Namma? Definitely we prepare well and we will get good marks in midterm. Okay, 43. A simple question. Anybody say 43? Come on, read it. Anybody? The number of distinct real tangents that can be drawn from the point. So, from 0, -2 parabola y square is equal to 4x. How many tangents we can draw? Students, don't write. Parabola is there. Point is there. How many tangents we can draw? Parabola is there. Point is there. How many tangents we can draw? Not saying anybody. I am asking question. Parabola is there. Point is there. On the parabola, how many tangents we can draw? Clearly draw the diagram also. 1. So what is the equation? What is the equation?
S1 is
Parabola is there. Point outside the parabola. How many tangents it is possible to draw?
2.
2. It is a tangent. If we draw like this, it is a tangent.
Yes, sir.
No, it is a chord. So how many tangents we can draw? How many tangents we can draw?
2 tangents.
Why? Here point lies on
Outside.
the parabola or outside the parabola?
Outside the parabola.
Very good, Amman. This is the point. How many tangents we can draw?
No, sir.
No. When a line draw this point, it intersects the parabola at 2 points. So it is not a tangent.
Yes.
So it depends on point. If the point lies on the parabola, tangent equation is S1 is equal to
S1 is
0,
equal
we
to
can
0.
draw one tangent. If the point lies outside the parabola, tangent equation is y is equal to mx plus.
Mx plus a by m.
How many tangents we can draw? M into m, m
2
square.
tangents.
So 2 tangents. If the point inside the parabola, no tangents will come. Here, what is the question? 43 question. What is the question? From the point parabola, how many tangents we can draw? Number of tangents. So for that, whether verify this point lies on the parabola, outside on the parabola, inside on the parabola. So verify that points. S11. Thus is called formula y1 square minus 4x1. Students, y1 minus 2 whole square. 4x1, x1, y1. So y1 square minus 2 whole square. 4 into 0. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Is it positive? S11 is positive. So point lies. P lies outside. Whenever point lies outside means how many tangents? Come on, speak up. Number of tangents is equal to.
2, sir.
Not saying answer.
2.
What is the number of tangents?
2, sir.
2. Very good. Shabash. Completed question. 43. Simple question. This is question. Substitute outside. Number of tangents is equal to 2. Next, what about 44? Students, 44. 2 tangents can be drawn. Look at
Alpha comma beta point.
from alpha comma beta 2 tangents. That is alpha comma beta. So x1 comma y1. Students, one slope is double the other. Slopes m1, m2 is equal to 2m1. There is a formula. M1 plus M2 is equal to Y1 by X1. M1 into M2 is equal to A by X1. This is the formula for that. Students, M1 plus M2 is equal to sum of the slopes formula Y1 by X1. M1, M2 is equal to A by X1. Here, what about M1? M1. M2, 2M1. Y1, beta. By Y2, alpha. That implies M1 is equal to beta by 3M1. That is 3 alpha. Y1 is equal to. Here, students, M1 into M2, 2M1. A is 1. What is the parabola equation? Y square is equal to 4x. So A value 1 by X1 is alpha. 2 into M1 square. Students, what about M1 square? M1 square. Beta square by 9 alpha square. 1 by alpha. 2 beta square by 9 is equal to alpha. Completed question. 2 beta square by 9 is equal to alpha. Write down. This is the solution. Completed. 2 beta square by 9 is equal to, okay. Students, concept write down. Normal chords. Listen, students. All the 40 students. Listen. Emma, listen. Today morning, I sent it to you already. Students, which question this one? Look at. Which question onwards? Anybody? 41, 42, 43, 44, 46, 48, 49. Next synopsis points. Synopsis points. 50, 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 58, 60, up to 66. Students, up to which problem we completed?
70.
Up to 70. All the students, can you hear me? I sent notes to you. Understood or not? I screen. Now what the notes I send it to you. All of you seen that one. Okay. So practice those questions if you have any doubt. Okay. Tomorrow, if Monday, next two. In this weekend, exercise 1 and exercise 2. Exercise 1 full notes I send it to you. Exercise 1 notes I send it to you. Okay. When Thursday, I will send exercise 2 notes to you. Thursday, I will send exercise 2 notes. So please remember that. Students, please remember that. So practice parabola. If you practice parabola very well, exercise 1, definitely IP also you will easily can do. Okay. Now, what is the definition? Students, before 46 problem, there is a definition. Side heading is there. What is the side heading? Normal points. Equation of normal, co-normal points. And look at equation of normal. Most important point for objective. Listen, students, what I said today class, the synopsis point is useful for remaining all concepts. Okay. First one, write down. Equation of normal. Write down. The equation of normal. The equation of normal at normal equation. Circle also formula is there. Y1 is equal to CP
M.
slope x1. Here normal is y1 is equal to slope this into x minus x1. This is the normal equation. Point is known. How we can find slopes are out. Students, sir, how you wrote this one? Slope. What is tangent? Anybody say tangent equation? Y1 is equal to 2a in plus x1. What is the minus x quotient, y quotient minus y1? This is normal slope is perpendicular slope. What is 2a by y1? Perpendicular slope minus y1 by 2a. What is the normal slope formula? Come on, speak up. Normal slope formula. Not saying normal slope formula minus y1 by 2a. That is the normal equation. Now one more doubt we have. Sir, same thing for tangent. What is the formula? Same thing, the equation of tangent at the point is S1 is equal to 0. The equation of tangent at the point is S1 is equal to 0. Same thing, the equation of normal at the point is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next, slope 2 tangents, suppose. The equation of normal, students, one more concept, with the slope m. Student, with the slope m. Anybody say tangent equation with slope m? What is the tangent with the slope m?
Y is equals to mx plus a by m.
Very good, Amma Sabash. Here y is equal to normal equation mx minus 2am minus am cube. What is the normal equation formula? Y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Here, this is the normal equation with the slope. Whenever point is given, y minus y1. Whenever slope is given, y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. Students, one more thing. The equation of normal at parametric at t, that is point is given, at square comma 2at is, anybody say? Y plus xt is equal to, most important.
2at plus am at cube.
Very good, Amma Shabash. Very good, Amma. Okay. Morning, lot of student I asked. Parametric form normal equation. They are not answered. Now in this class, very good, Amma Shabash. The normal equation, just now I asked, somebody told the answer. Very good, Amma. Name? Sai Charan?
Sir.
Okay, you answered that one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, Amma. Shabash. Sai Charan. Keep it up. Okay. The equation of normal at the point at square comma 2at is, so normal equation point is given, this one. Slope m is given, this one. Parametric, this one. Three are identical. Why? If m is equal to minus t, same thing. Students, m is equal to minus t, substitute. Then what will happen? Y is equal to minus tx plus 2at minus t whole cube, that is plus at cube. So y plus xt is equal to 2at plus 8 cube. Same thing will come. These two are same. But here slope m, here slope minus t. Parametric slope minus t. Okay, that's why both are same. Students, one more concept in JEE Advanced. We are going to one by one step advanced level. So, first of all, listen concept. Look at, this is the tangent equation. The normal at T1, the normal at T1 meets the parabola at T2. So, fourth point, write down. The normal at point T1 meets the parabola at T2. So, at T1, the normal equation meets the parabola at T2. Then T2 formula meets the parabola at T2. Then T2 formula minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Most important concept. The normal at T1 meets the parabola at T2. Then T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Okay. Fifth one. Students, if one point normal meets again at T2, if the normals at 2 points, look at one more concept. This is also not an IPE concept. It is an objective. One normal is there. Another normal is there. These two are again meeting at T3. So the normal set T1 and T2. Write down. The normals concept, important concept I am explaining. The next coming problems, everything what I said the synopsis points. Students, I am explaining every synopsis point to you. The normals at points, 2 points, T1 and T2 meets the parabola. Again at T3. So the T1 normal at T3, T2 normal at T3, again at T3. Then the condition is T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 0. One of the condition. Second condition, T1, T2 is equal to 2. So T1, T2 is equal to 2. T1, T2 is equal to 2. These are the concepts. Okay. Next, sixth condition. Students, normal equations question. Whenever slope is given, point is given. Next, the normal at T1 meets again T2. Then what is the formula for T2? Come on, speak up. Most important, this one. Nearby 10 questions in this formula.
Minus T1 minus 2 by T1.
Very good. T2 is equal to T minus T1 minus 2 by T1 minus A by minus 2 by T1. Okay. Next, anybody say sixth concept. Total 7 concepts I will explain. Sixth concept. Sixth concept. Students, sixth concept. Write down. The normal chord subtends a right angle. The normal chord subtends a right angle at the vertex, implies t square is equal to 2. Right angle at the focus implies t square is equal to 4. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Not the parabola. This chord 90 degrees at the vertex. At 90 degrees it makes. This chord makes 90 degrees with focus. Okay, this is focus. Yes. A. Okay, 90 degrees at the focus. Then what is the condition? At the focus 90 degrees, 90 degrees means t square is equal to 4. At the vertex 90 degrees means t square is equal to 2. Students, next last one. Length of the normal chord. Seventh point. The length of normal chord. Students, simple question. The length of normal chord at T is length of the normal chord. The length of the normal chord at t is 4a into 1 plus t square power 3 by 2 by t square. This is called length of the normal chord at t. Length of the normal chord at t. 4a into 1 plus t square power 3 by 2 by t square. This is called length of the normal chord. Okay, students. These are the concepts. Please read the concept. Now we are going to problems. Half an hour, nearby half an hour time is there. Okay, not half an hour. 10 minutes, 15 minutes there. It is enough to us. 15 minutes, 10 problems we are going to complete. Come on, students. Now we are starting 46 problem. Today class, we are going to end 56 problem. Okay, can I rub these things? Students, all of you ready to after reading the synopsis? Please read the synopsis. Everything I given diagram. Right angle at vertex. Right angle at focus. T square is equal to 2. T square is equal to 4. 4 into 1 plus t square power 3 by 2 by t square. This is the length of the normal chord. So everything I explained. Students, can you ready to do the problems? Anybody say first one? Come on. 46 problem. Anybody? 46 problem. Anybody? Come on. Anybody read 46? I will answer. Come on, Sai Teja. Jayant. Lot of students are there. Sai Sharan. The
The maximum number of normal
very good. Stop there.
can be drawn.
The equation of normal. Anybody say? The equation of normal equation. Slope M. Students, how many M values here?
3.
Cubic equation in M. So M have maximum 3 values. So for all 3 values, how many equations we will get? That implies maximum number of values, number of normals is equal to, anybody say answer? Not saying. Cubic equation, that is 3. Obviously, maximum number of normals is equal to 3. But tangent equation means definitely 2 tangents only will come. Students, 47 no need, 48. Murali Krishna. When ringtone is came, please unmute yourself. Murali, are you there? Okay. 48. Anybody students read 48 question? Anybody unmute yourself and ask me. 2x plus y plus k is equal to 0 is normal. Students, this line is normal means compare this line with this equation. What is this equation? Normal equation. Normal to y square is equal to minus 8x. Students, if y square is equal to plus 8x, formula this one. Then minus 8x means here plus will come. So that implies y is equal to minus 2x minus k. Compare with normal. What is the normal equation? y is equal to mx plus 2am plus am cube. Sir, actually formula y is equal to mx minus 2am minus am cube. But here parabola is left parabola. So minus a means plus a. It becomes these two terms. So what about k? M is equal to minus 2. C is equal to minus k. Then comparison y m minus 2. That implies minus k is equal to 2am plus am cube. Minus k is equal to 2 into what about a? 2. M minus 2. A2 minus 2 whole cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Minus 8 minus 16 minus 24. 16 3s are 8 3s are 24. K is equal to value. Anybody say k value? 24. Simple question. Next students, 49. The point on parabola. So y square is equal to 8x. Normal inclined 60 degrees with x-axis. So normal inclined 60 degrees with x-axis. Anybody say normal equation? Students, point 80 square comma 280. I am taking point. Anybody say normal slope? Minus t. What is the slope of parametric form? Y plus xt. That is x quotient is t minus x quotient by y quotient. Minus t is equal to tan 60. So t is equal to, anybody say t is equal to minus root 3. Therefore, point P A2 t square minus root 3 whole square 2 into minus root 3. That is our required point. 2 3s are 6 minus 4 root 3. This is our required point. Simple logic. Completed. Next 50. Anybody read 50th question? Students, 50. Everything easy questions. What I said, those concept only. Normal slope m is equal to minus t. M is equal to y minus y1 by 2a. Anybody say 50th question? Write down. The normal at P and Q meets the parabola. Students, the normal at P and Q meets the parabola at the third point Q, third point R. So anybody say? Students, the normal at P, Q meets the parabola at R. Then what is the condition? T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 0. This is the one of the condition. T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 0. Another condition. T1 T2 is equal to 2. Then he asked, then product of ordinates. What is the product of ordinates? Students, product of ordinates means y1 into y2. Students, what about y1? 2a-t1. What about y2? 2a-t2. 4a square t1 t2. 4a square into 2. That is equal to answer. Anybody say 8a square? Answer is 8a square. This is the answer. 8a square is the final answer. Okay, students, 8a square be the required answer. 51, 52, same thing. Now 53. Students, 53. 5 minutes, don't go log out. Okay? Anybody read 53? Emma. Students, anybody, Sai Teja or anybody? Sai Sharan? Students, Arpit Rao, Bharat? Anybody read 53 question? If you read 53 question, I will say answer. Anybody? The slope of the normal. So what is the normal equation? Students, what is the normal equation formula at t, parametric form? Anybody say the normal equation at t? If you say, I will answer. What is the normal equation? Synopsis point today only I said. Just now. The equation of normal at t, parametric form. Say y plus xt is equal to formula 2at plus 8. Lot of times I told you. That is the slope of normal minus x quotient by y quotient. That is minus t. Completed. Simple question. Students, 54. Okay. Anybody answer, I will think. The normal at T1. The normal at T1 meets the parabola at T2. Meets the parabola at T2. Then, what is the formula for T2? Anybody say? The normal at meets the parabola at T2. Then what is the condition? Not saying. I will ask to somebody. Please unmute yourself and ask. Amarnath, Jayant, Amarnath. Anybody unmute? Amarnath, once unmute. What is the answer of for the T2 is equal to? Look at the synopsis point today. Today synopsis point. What about T2? Formula. Emma Jayant, Avinash, Rishikesh, Sai Teja, Mohan Madhav. Madhav, you know it, I think, but you are not saying. Sai Charan, answer it.
Minus T1 minus 2 by T1.
Minus T1. Very good. Minus 2 by T1. Final simple problem. Already I told you. Okay, thank you, Sai Charan. Next, 55. Last question today class. Students, 55. Anybody say? Anybody read the question? Students, 55. Look at the normal to the parabola at the point 55. The normal to y square is equal to t is equal to 1. Students, So T1 is equal to 1. So T is equal to 1. Now, anybody say T2 formula? Minus T1 minus 2 by T1. Minus 1 minus 2 by 1. That is minus 3. So, the normal at T1 again at T2. Then T2 is equal to minus T1 minus 2 by T1 formula. After getting T2, what is the formula for another point? What is the formula? A T2 square comma 2A T2 be the point. A2 T2 square minus 3 whole square. 2A minus 3. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So minus 12. 18 comma minus 12. This is the answer. Students, homework. Please do homework. Parabola exercise 1. 36 problem to 55. Parabola exercise 1. 36 to 55. Today evening we have to submit. 36 to 55. Please complete this one. Okay? That is the homework of today.